How's it going, tribe? So I'm out and about, still wandering, finding all sorts today, loads of mushrooms. Come across this little group of mushrooms. As you can see, it's quite a few of them. Now at first, I thought these might have been the coconut milkcap. But if I'm not mistaken, I think they're the larger version, the grey milkcap. Let's have a look at one. Here we go. There we are, look. A little close-up of him. Yeah, these are the larger grey milkcap, these are. Not the coconut milkcap. They aren't very edible, I'll be honest with you. You can eat them. They're mainly used for flavouring. They have got quite a coconutty smell to them. But there isn't much nutritional value in them at all. I'll be honest with you guys. But they're not dangerous, they're not poisonous. Could actually be mistaken for plums and custard, to be honest. But yeah. So I'm going with the grey milkcap. Not the coconut one. Spiders like it. Let's have a little wander over here. Just got a good look at it so you know what you're looking at. The grey milkcap. Mistaken for the coconut milkcap, but both are harmless. But I just wanted to take you over here, guys, because I've found a behemoth of a mushroom. Look at the size of these. Look at that, guys, it's a monster. That's a big orange bolete. Orange birch bolete, that, look. Look at that, guys. Look at that big beast. That is a monster. There's some food on that, guys. Even the insects couldn't take it. That is a big beast. And if I just go round here, I've got another one round here as well. Look at that, guys. Look at the size of them. Two big old orange birch boletes. Some more mushrooms down here. What's that one there? Oh, what have we got here? Oh no. Now I'm a bit unsure about that one, guys. I'll have to do a bit of research on that. But there's quite a few of them here. Some more of the hairy milkcap. So we've got hairy milkcap, orange birch boletes, brown birch boletes. What else have we got over here, guys? What have we got? There's an abundance of mushrooms. Can you see all them? Absolutely every mushroom known to man here. Look at these little beauties. Look at that, guys. Absolutely awesome. Well, we're out and about, we're finding all sorts today. It's all good. Bolete City. Some knob on a bike. Right, guys, I'm out of here. I need to go find some more mushrooms. I'll come back for them. I've got to do a bit of research on them. They're new ones to me, so they're not going in the foraging bag. Right, guys, have a good one. Take it easy, get out in nature. Look after each other. Wildman out.